Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Here's another skill that should be review for you, and I think you're going to do pretty great with it. All you're going to be doing is working on combining like terms to solve equations. So in the past, you've done some combining like terms, something like this, 7j plus 4j, right? And that would equal 11j. So that's something that we've done in the past quite a bit of. Still trying to figure out this eraser thing here. I'm trying my best to do that over break though. See if I can do that quicker. But so here's a pretty easy problem that you're gonna see today. Something like this, right? It's already j plus 7j equals 8. Okay. Now you're gonna need to combine your like terms. So in this case, you really have 1j plus 7j. So remember, if you have just a variable, it's only worth one of those variables. So in this case, you're gonna have 8j's, right? When you combine them, so 8j equals 8, and simply just divide both sides by 8 here. And you're going to be left with j equals 1. Okay, so pretty easy example. You'll get a bunch of those up until you get around the score of 60 or so. So I don't think you're going to have a lot of problems with that. I actually don't think you'll have a lot of problems when you get to the higher ones either, as I do have you going to a little higher score today, because I think, this is a 7th grade skill, and I think it's something that's easily attainable for you guys. So here's an example of a little harder problem you might see. So something like this, where there might be two steps. So 14j minus 12j minus 5 equals 13. And again, if we combine these, right, we're going to get left with 2j's, because 14 minus 12 is 2. So you're going to rewrite as 2j minus 5 equals 13. Okay. Now, we got to get the j by itself. So t-chart here isn't a bad idea. Don't have to use it though. Okay. We're going to add 5 to both sides, right, to cross this out. So we're just left with the 2j over here. So you're going to have 2j equals 18, right? Okay. And then just to solve for j, you're going to divide both sides by 2. And you're going to be left with j equals 9 in this case, okay? And if we plug this 9 back in, you would see that 9 times 12 and 9 times 14, when you subtract those things, then you take away 5, you're going to equal 13 with that, okay? I won't do all that math out for you, but I know that it works out. So anyways, here is your skill for today. Let me cross this out. It's a 7th grade skill, technically, but I think you guys need a little review with it, and I think it's good for you. And practicing algebra is going to really help you so you get off to a good start your freshman year. I can't wait for you guys to get back in your regular school setting. I'm really disappointed I'm not going to be able to see you for the rest of the year, but I really hope you guys get off to a good start when it comes to high school. So here is your assignment for today. So you're going to go to level H, Z.10. It's called Solve Equations Using Like Terms, and your goal score for today is a 90. Now to verify that you watched this video, just like on Monday, you're going to need to answer a question. I actually haven't really watched that much TV during this whole thing, but I'm really curious if you would post what has been your favorite show to watch throughout this time. So answering this question is part of your assignment, so go ahead and drop us a line. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.